Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at YouTube SEO, optimizing videos for maximum reach. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So before you even hit record, you have to make sure that you're starting with research. Now there's several different platforms out there to choose from, especially with your SEO tools. Now here we have Ubersuggest. There's also the likes of SEMrush. You can also use Ahrefs, and the one that I like to use is Answer the Public, especially for YouTube. So of course I can go through keyword research here. I can search for keyword ideas or keywords by traffic, but let me just show you Answer the Public. Imagine it this way. YouTube is a search engine. So just like Google, that means if you want views, you need to know what people are actually searching for. This platform itself is Answer the Public. Now, it's great for finding real questions people are asking, especially for YouTube. Now, there are other options there, like Google, Bing, TikTok, Amazon, and even Instagram, which is brand new to this platform. So let's just say I'm making a video about growing a YouTube channel. Now, if I type that into Answer the Public, I'll get stuff like how to grow a YouTube channel without showing your face, or how to grow fast in 2025, or how to grow with 0 subscribers. Now, these are great because they tell you exactly what people need help with. Now, build your title and content around that. Now, here's a little bonus tip just before we use this. Now, try to type your topic into YouTube search bar. So it's pretty much the same with social media, like you do with hashtags. You search them up, see if it's being used enough or not. So if I say, for example, growing a YouTube channel, you'll automatically see the autocomplete. Now, these are actual search terms people are using. So there's ones there that are like growing a YouTube channel, and then from nothing in 30 days with shorts 2025, from nothing challenge to prove it's not luck. So there's the autocomplete there for us, and it's ready to go. So if I jump back onto Answer the Public, now let's try this now. We're going to keep it with United Kingdom. I do have several different options here, as you can see. So our topic of choice will be growing a YouTube channel. So then I'll do a search. Now, with the free version, if you're to use Answer the Public, you get 3 out of 3 free searches available for any day, like each day. So the next day it'll refresh. So I'll just go ahead and hit search. Now, this will give me a couple of things. It'll give me questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, numbers, and related. So if I scroll down here, we're then going to see what exactly people are searching. So this is the lowest search. Why your YouTube channel isn't growing. Why has my YouTube channel stopped growing? And why YouTube channel not growing. So you can see there that this is the highly searched one, this is average, and this is the least searched one. So 3 questions for that one. Now, prepositions, this is giving us an idea. So growing YouTube channel with shorts. Is growing a YouTube channel hard? So that's the hardest one again, or the most searched one, sorry. So again, that could be a potential then for a YouTube title. So next one there is comparisons. We only got one there. So the main one there is starting and growing a YouTube channel. And then of course you have alphabeticals as well on what type of keywords are currently being used. Now you'll see the search volume as well. So of course if it's not being used, then you wouldn't really necessarily use it then. Then ones with numbers as well. So you could see growing a YouTube channel in 2024. Of course, now it's 2025. You'd add that in. And these are the ones that are related to my search. and it's letting me know again the search volume. Of course, we only have a free trial here, so we're not able to see everything, but it is still pretty good for a free version. So that's one of the platforms there that you can use. And then if you need to structure something out, that's when you would jump onto ChatGPT or any other AI tool out there to form your YouTube title. So some things that you should note first when you are doing all this. So you want to craft a high performing title. So that title has to have three things. It has to have our keyword near the beginning, needs to sound natural, and it has to be something that you want to click into. So let me give you an example. Let's just say if I put my YouTube title as my YouTube tips. Now, I haven't really gone into detail about what, yes, sure, the video is about YouTube tips, but it's pretty bad. There's not enough context to it. It's not, it's just something that you don't want to click on. It doesn't sound natural as well. So if I were to change that, if I say how to grow on YouTube with 0 subscribers, 2025 strategy, then you can also add brackets like beginner tutorial, step by step, no face needed. Those are the sort of videos people are going to want to click. So again, if you are having a bit of a struggle, you can use, which I'll demonstrate now, ChatGPT. So I'll go ahead and search up, let's just say, growing a channel. This is my keyword for YouTube. Now, it should give us a title, or it should give us titles. So, yep, there we go. It's given us title options. So again, adding things like exclamation stuffs as well, and even caps is one way to really help your title. So that's what it's given us. So that's very important as well. Now, let me just show one of the videos that we have on YouTube just to demonstrate. So I've got one loading in now. So here we go. This is how to make a website with Wix. So Wix complete tutorial from Profile Tree Digital Agency. So yes, it is slightly an older video. However, this is another important part, which is going to be your description. So this is a description that's going to help us rank, especially since we've got more of like a table of contents as well, you would call it, or a way to skip to the video. So this is for the timeline itself, or what we call this is timestamps. So within the first 2 lines, naturally use your main keyword. So that's what we've went ahead and done. Now you want to write a short paragraph explaining that what viewers will learn from this video, and then make sure that you add links, social handles, or even, as I said there, timestamps, which would be really, really handy for a YouTube video. So we've added a bit of a description here, or a paragraph on what's going on. So again, what we've done as well is we've internally linked, is what I would like to say, some of the different YouTube videos that we've created on top. And of course, we've added a website link just below. So let's just give an example here. So if you were to create a description, mention in this video, I'll show you how to grow your YouTube channel with 0 subscribers using YouTube SEO techniques in 2025. So you can even add in related phrases like YouTube SEO tips, rank higher on YouTube, beginner YouTube strategy. Now, it helps YouTube index your video properly. Now, remember, it's like its own search engine. Treat it like Google. Now, another thing that you could be using is smart tags and hashtags. So even though tags don't hold the same power as they used to, they still help YouTube connect the dots between your video and similar content. So add 5 to 8 relevant tags, use your main keyword and related ones, use hashtags in your description like YouTube SEO, grow on YouTube, YouTube for beginners, and etc. etc. Again, you could use ChatGPT if you need to find some hashtags that you could potentially use for the video. Now, these hashtags also make your video more searchable, especially on mobile, which means that you have a potential appearing on the user's first search results. Now, one thing as well about these videos is a thumbnail. So you'll see it with our YouTube channel. We've literally got a thumbnail for every single video. Now, this is the most important part of YouTube SEO because if no one clicks your video, nothing else matters. You can use Canva, Figma, or even Photoshop to structure your actual thumbnail. Now, make sure that you're using bold colors as well, big text, and expressive faces if you need to. Keep it clean, at least 2 to 4 words max. But of course, if it is something a little bit more detailed, then it's okay to add just a little bit more text on there. Now, just a tip, add a contrast color that pops. If YouTube's background is dark, make your text bright. Now, think of your thumbnail like a mini billboard. So would you click it? So that's one of the things that you need to think about when you're creating your thumbnails for YouTube. Now, getting to the part where you're actually recording the video. Now, the longer people watch, the better your video performs. So you gotta make sure that you hook them within the first 10 seconds. So try to do that as best as you can. Tell them exactly what's coming up. Break up your content with clear sections or timestamps and tease them as well on what's coming next. Like, stick around till the end. I'll share a bonus tip that most people will miss. So you can also use YouTube chapters. So that means it'll help people navigate your video and it also increases your average view duration. But guys, there you have it. That is pretty much a few things that you could do in order to boost your YouTube SEO, and it will work. If you found the video helpful, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.